Hello students. Today we are going to learn a new lesson. Name of the lesson is Animals How Life Goes On. In this lesson we are going to learn about mammals, birds, other egg-laying animals and so on. So let's start. Living things do not live forever. They die after completing their lifespan. Lifespan means the period of time for which a living thing lives. So, they die after completing their lifespan. For life to go on living thing must produce more of their own kind. The process by which living things produce more of their own kind is called as reproduction. Animals reproduce in two different ways. Some animals give birth to their young ones and some lay eggs. Later, young ones hatch from these eggs. Humans, cats, cows give birth to their young ones. Frogs, hens, and snakes lay eggs out of which babies hatch. Mammals, animals which give birth to their young ones and feed them on their milk are called mammals. Their bodies are covered with hair. Here we can see cats have given birth to their kittens. Dog also have given birth to her babies. So we can see how many hairs are present on their body. Mammals are the most developed among all animals. Here are more pictures which are example of the mammals. Monkeys, sheep, deer, zebra, yak, panda, these all are mammals. Humans are also mammals. Humans also give birth to their babies, so humans are also mammals. Whales and dolphins, though they are fishes, but they give birth to their babies, so they are also mammals. Bats, bats fly like a bird, but they are mammals too. The smallest living mammal is the Kitti's hog-nosed bat. Here in the picture we can see that baby bat is drinking milk of her mother. This is the Kitti's hog-nosed bat. This is the smallest mammal in the world. Care of the young. Mammals take care of their babies for long period of time. Usually the mother cares for the young. She feeds them, cleans them, and keeps them warm. She protects them from enemies. As they grow, mother teaches them to find out food and live on their own. In certain mammals, the father also helps. He hunts for the food and guards the young ones. Human beings are the only mammals who look after not only their children but their grandchildren too. Some animals lay eggs. For example, birds. Birds reproduce by laying eggs. Most birds build nests to lay eggs. They sit on the eggs to keep them warm. After some time, the eggs hatch and baby birds come out. The eggs of all birds have a similar internal structure, means they are same from inside. Here we can see the structure. Each egg has a hard protective outer layer. Within the shell is the egg white called albumen, and that albumen is also covered with a layer called membrane. Inside that albumen, egg yolk is present. It is yellow colored. These are the different stages of the development of a chick. See the different stages. Other egg-laying animals. Animals like fish and frogs too lay eggs. They lay their eggs in water. See the eggs. They care their babies only for a short time. A fish lays thousands of eggs at a time in water. Here we can see so many eggs are present in the water. Out of these, only a few hundred grows into baby fish. Many eggs and baby fish are eaten up by a big fish. A frog's egg develops into a tadpole. It keeps growing and slowly changes into an adult frog. See, first of all, eggs are there. That eggs hatches and tadpoles come out from that egg. After some days, that tadpole have legs, and after some days, that tadpole have fully grown legs but tail is present. And at the adult stage, the tail goes on and a fully grown adult we can see in the cycle. Here in the hands we can see the tadpoles. So like this way a frog's eggs goes into three different stages and adult frog develop. Reptiles. Reptiles like lizards, turtles and snakes lay their eggs in holes in the ground. See the eggs, they are present in the ground. After laying the eggs, some mothers go away and never come back. For example, turtles. After giving the eggs, turtle go back in the sea and never come out. So, no one is there for the turtle eggs to take care. And because of that, some eggs are eaten by other animals. All insects hatch from eggs. Some insects like grasshopper, cockroaches have three different stages in their life cycle. Molting in insects. Shedding of the old skin by animals is called molting. Shedding means leaving the skin from the body. Here we can see life cycle of grasshopper. There are three different stages of that life cycle. In the first stage we can see eggs. In the second stage we can see grasshopper without wings. And in the third stage grasshopper have the wings. Life cycle of cockroach. It also have three different stages. In the first stage eggs are there. In the second stage nymph, we can see nymph. Nymph means the baby insect which comes out of the egg is called a nymph. It is very similar to the parent. And after molting many times, it changes into an adult. Other insects like housefly and butterfly have four different stages in their life cycle. See how many insects we can see in the picture. Life cycle of housefly. Housefly also gives eggs, and after some days from that eggs larva comes out. Larva means baby housefly which comes from the eggs. That larvas looks more like a worm. We feel they are worms. The larvae of different insects have different names. The larva of housefly is called maggot, and the larva of butterfly, here we can see in the second stage, larva of butterfly. The larva of butterfly comes out from the eggs and started to eat leaves and grows rapidly. After some time, it stops eating and forms a covering called pupa around itself. Later, the pupa bursts open and the butterfly comes out from that pupa. Adult insects do not look after their babies. That babies have to take care of their own by themselves. Quick recap. Animals need to produce so that life on the earth goes on. Animals reproduce by giving birth to young ones or by laying eggs. Animals give birth to their young ones are called mammals. Birds, fish, frogs, reptiles, and insects reproduce by laying eggs. Some animals give more parental care to their young ones. So, like this, we have learned about animals, how life goes on. We will see another interesting points in next lesson. Thank you.